Next few minutes, you will learn how to run Google Ads for your website. Let's dive into it. First, go to ads.google.com where you can see a dashboard like this. If you can't see, maybe you have a tour or something like that. If you are totally new on this part, go with that, add your credit card. So after that, what you will see a clean dashboard like this where you can add a where you can go with starting a campaign. So if you select a campaign, it will ask what is your goal. So in that term, maybe it depends on you what's your goal is. If your goal is actually you want sales, then you can go with choose your objective from here. You can, if you want leads from your website, you have a form and you want leads from the website, that people come into your website and they fill out a lead, then you can select leads. If you want website traffic, you can select this one, which prompts that website traffic. And if you have an app to promote, you can go with app and promotion. But if you are not, I don't know, but I want something like awareness, and after that I want to retarget them as well. So you can go that awareness and consideration for people who will understand or receive a message like, yeah, this brand is exists, something like that. Local store visit and promotions, these are for those who want people on the local area that comes to visit their shop. But if you don't have any idea what can I do, what should I pick, you can go with the create a campaign without guidance. So in this term, maybe we can pick the website traffic kind of thing. We are running for a website, or if you had a target to run ads for sales or leads, you can go with this too. So first I'm clicking on those website traffic. After that, it is asking what's your goal in more deeply. So if I want to get contact details, I can look here. I can take it here, but it comes because of your conversion goal. What type of conversion that I want in my website? I can depends on your website, but it is like if you want contacts, if you like phone call leads, or if you want that submit the leads, it's managed from the backend that your conversion is set up with your website. So you can, or we can go with leads right now. For now, if someone comes to my website, I can go with contact details. I don't need their phone calls, but I need that they should submit the lead form and their contact details as well. After that, let's hit continue. So after hitting continue, it will asking me that where I want to put my ads on. So let me brief you in this section as well. If you want that your ad is go to the search result, you can pick search. If you want that I'm coming with Performance Max at last, if you want your ads to put on Google's display network in websites, sidebars of website, or some YouTube videos, you can sometimes you see, if you're scrolling on YouTube and you find something like posters that are on YouTube. If you want that your ads will go only to YouTube, you can pick the video kind of thing that from where you can generate leads from YouTube. At the same time, you can, if you want that you reach to every display network of Google, you can also put that here. Also, there is shopping features in Google right now. So if you want to put your product on shopping, you can put that as well. But as we are on Performance Max, if we are on leads kind of thing, that we want more leads or more sales kind of thing. More sales can be go with shopping, but more leads kind of thing is morely like of not placing on shopping. So what was Performance Max for? Performance Max is kind of like every one of us is in Google's ecosystem, right? So if Google's tracked that this particular person is suitable for your product, what Google will do is every platform that they visit that is related to Google, they will show your ads there. So it is like you see not many reach, not many impressions, but those people which is reaching, or Google find out that these are the guy, they will flood their phone with your ads and they will push them to buy your product or submit the form, kind like that. So you can go with Performance Max right now, but if you want, your team is running on they are door knocking to people, and they want, if you run display ads, people see in a local area what you are giving to them, what your service is. When you are door knocking, you can also see they will recognize you and they are most likely to talk with you. But we can go with Performance Max. It is the best kind of thing. So I'm picking Performance Max. After that, we have to paste our website URL right here. So for example, I want to just give a company. So for our example, we are taking this website as our example, and we are putting a name here. So let me put my name at the front, Performance Max. So after that, when I click on continue, it will take me to the next page. So here comes the bidding. What is bidding? Everyone is paying to Google. So whose ad is going to show on first? In that case, what we need to do is we have to set them bidding number that I want to spend $10 for one leads from Google, or I want to spend $5 for one leads. This is our goal actually. What Google will do is someone bid to $2 and you bid $5, and Google understand the potential and they bid. They say like you are bidding higher, so your ad will be placed on the very first. So the people who are most likely click on your ads, Google will cut that $5, but Google will give you the lead that these people is really highly converting. So this is how the bidding things works here. So you can go for conversion, or you can go for conversion value. Conversion value is like high ticket clients, kind of like that. You don't want so many clients but so many leads. You want high quality leads. There's somehow how to give signal that this guy is high converting and this guy is low. But for now, as we have to collect so many leads, we go for conversions. We want that like this, for $5 we want one lead. So how to set it? This is set a target cost per action, and I put it $5. Simple. You have an existing client base and you want only new customers. So you can check out this box right here for now, but it's okay if you don't want. So which area do you want to run ads on? So you can put the whole Canada, whole USA, whatever it is, or you can go with exact area of targeting. If right now maybe I am targeting for Vancouver, so let's assume my service in Vancouver. Okay, and see, so I can include that. You can include a little area than that. At the same time, you can do a broad area. If you want to go to advanced search, you can bulk. You have a list of different areas that you are currently serving. You can just copy and paste here, or you can paste the direct postal codes from here. Also, you can target by radius. From the Vancouver, BC, you want 20 miles, or maybe you want kilometers, 20, or maybe you can 10 kilometers to target. So if you want safe, that is targeting 10 kilometers from the radius that I'm targeting right now. Now, if you want to target, you can go with targeting languages as well. It depends on you. If there is any political ad, no, this ad is not for political ad. So let's go to next. Well, what Google is doing right now is they have an AI. So they will, based on your website, they will show you this. They will show you all results, every page, or keywords or services or everything they will write for you. You can go with that, but better, it is not optimized that much still now. Maybe will in future. So you can go with manually adding those things. So you can just skip those and you can add your tagline and everything from here. So what I want to do to you, I have Perplexity open here, but I don't want so many of your time. You understand what I have to put right here. So this is why I have an existing campaign. What I will do is just copy and pasting the same thing. Let me show you. Well, from here I will just copy and paste the thing that I want here. What is the best practice right here? Let me just, while adding, I'm just telling you these things. What is the best thing to, how many headlines will be best to add? It is how much you can add. There is maybe more than 10 to 12 headlines that you can add. There is option to add, but you can add everything. So try to add as much headlines as possible. So let me speeding things up. It's a cleaning service actually. Well, I want to add some long headings as well. I will later show you how your this ad will looks like. Just for now, I'm making a dummy. Well, now I have to add some description here. I'm showing you the full process. Well, now I have to add images here. So what you can do, you have images ready to upload. You will just go to your upload from your computer and you can just add here. So I already have added photos right here. So what I want to do, I want to select the images that I want to add, run in my ads. So that's all right now. Oh, I want to save. Okay. So also I have videos to add. Let me just add those. Maybe, I don't know, I can here. How you can add your YouTube videos here. First, upload video on YouTube, and from the link you can just paste it here and you can just add your video here. So another one I want to add, I have another video maybe ready. This one I have video ready. You can just copy and paste from, I assume that you understand that. So I have added 2 videos right here. There are site links. Maybe I have made it some site links here. It will show on, I will show you later that how it will look. So this is the site links, and if you want automate or get a quote maybe go with you because you want people that want a quote from you, lead kind of thing. So get a quote. So let me show you how our ads, well, so how our ads will looks here. Okay, so as you can see, this is our ads, how it is looking right now. Can you see? This is the ad, this is the headlines that you have provided. At the same time, the get code that we have added. So you can see your ads from here. And as you can see in YouTube, you can see your ads here. That how it's, so this is how, where maybe it comes inside of Reels. Well, so the setup of our creatives is done. We have to add search terms. So maybe what you can do is you can add search term. You have to research for it. As I have no preparation for that, just I'm adding window cleaning. Maybe this is one of your keyword. Maybe cleaning window or culture clean. You get it, right? You will add those here. After that, you have to add your audiences. So what you can do here, you can use your competitor's website and the keywords that you want. Let me tell you how. Google have data that what's every website, what type of people in every website that is coming right now. If you give website, if you give Google that these are your competitors' website and the people who are going to that website are my potential customers. So if you do that, Google will analyze those and take those people in your website, or from the ads, Google will also reach your website to those persons. So I have made an audience like that. So I have just picked those things. So after next, you can set budgets here. If you pick next, it will tell you to, wait, I have to verify first for that. It will tell you to review the whole thing. If your everything is okay or not, if your bidding is okay, if your area is okay, just a review that if the whole website or whole campaign is good or not. When it is done, everything okay, budget is okay, targeting is okay, then we just go for publishing. Just click publish and it will be published. So this is how you can run Google ad campaign for your website. If you want any help to run ads on Google, and if you want to scale your business, if you want more leads through ads, anything related to media buying, you can book a meeting with me from the link in the description or the comment, wherever it is. Just check it out. We can talk about your business and how you can grow your business with ads.